You know a candidate because they start slowing down. Up, I see one candidate. Here we go. Here we go. This is it right here. You ready? Yep. Of course. There's always one. I swear there's always one. I'm surprised he didn't go all the way to the front. Always one. Look, another one. Don't tell me. Well, okay, the school bus I could probably understand because he has to make a wide turn. But that BMW, I don't know if he's gonna wait. I don't mind that.
Red light camera in 0.1 mile.
But that BMW, he's straight up skip right. And there's another one behind me. See, there's always one or two. I swear, it never fails.